In this video, you'll learn how to book a tasker on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will successfully schedule a service to get your tasks done efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit website. Once you're on the home page, locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click this button to proceed. If prompted, enter your email address and password to access your account. After logging in, you should see your account dashboard indicating that you are ready to search for services. Next, find the search bar prominently displayed on the home page. Type in the specific type of work you need done. For example, you could enter TV mounting or furniture assembly. After entering your query, press the Enter key or click the search icon to start your searches. The results page will display various services related to your request. After the results load, you will need to enter your location. Look for a field labeled Enter your address, zip code, or city. Input the relevant information where the service will take place. This step ensures that you find taskers who are available in your area. Once you have entered your location, the platform will adjust the available taskers accordingly. Now it is time to fill in the task details. A series of questions will appear based on the service you selected. These questions may ask about the number of items involved, the type of materials needed, and any additional services you might require. Provide accurate information, as it will help you find the most suitable tasker for your needs. Following this, you will browse through the available taskers. The platform will display profiles of taskers, allowing you to compare them based on hourly rates, customer reviews, and their availability. Click on a tasker's profile to view more details. Once you find someone who meets your criteria, click the select button to choose them for your task. After selecting a tasker, you will proceed to schedule the task. A calendar interface will appear, showing the tasker's available dates and times. Choose a date and time that works best for you. Once you have made your selection, you will move on to the final confirmation step. Lastly, review all the booking details carefully. Check the task description, the selected tasker, and their scheduled time. If necessary, update your payment method by clicking on the appropriate option. If you have a promo code, enter it in the designated field. Once everything looks correct, click the Confirm in Chat button to finalize your booking. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your task has been successfully scheduled. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.